Hi everyone, and welcome back to a new tutorial and video. I hope you're doing great. So today I'm gonna show you how to make the granny square pillow cover. We're starting right from here. The links of the video tutorial of how to do the granny square and how to join will be linked in the description box because I've done the videos previously. So it's very easy to achieve and very quick videos. The stitching, I used the tapestry needle and stitched every square together to get 9 squares joined together for each side. So I've done 2 pieces of this granny square joined together, and now the next step I'm going to show you how to stitch the 2 pieces together to form the pillow cover. So with the 2 sides facing outwards, the right sides, I'm gonna join the 2 pieces together and make sure they are both aligned together. What I'm gonna do is the same as the granny square. So with the same crochet hook, I'm gonna join the yarn on the first corner. In the first corner, I'm gonna chain 3. And 2 double crochet in the corner. So I'm basically doing a row of granny square to join both together, both pieces together. So now onto the next space, I'm gonna make 3 double crochet. Like this. And that's what I'm gonna do throughout my work. In the corner is 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet, and on the sides is 3 double crochet in every space till the end of my work, and then I'll insert the pillow cover and continue doing the same. Very simple and straightforward. So when you get to this side corner of each square and you have these side corners, we're gonna only make 3 double crochet in each. So this is the pillow cover almost completed. As I have explained, the corners are 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet, and the spaces are only 3 double crochet. This is the look of it, and now I'm gonna put the pillow inside before finishing the last side, crocheting the last side. So I'm gonna show you so far how it does look. So I'm gonna get rid of these threads later on, and this is the look of it so far. And I'm gonna finish this side last. And this is the final look of the pillow after the stitches completed. This is how it looks like with the granny stripe around. So this is 50 by 50 centimeter pillow, and it is 9 granny squares for each piece. I hope you like the tutorial and you'll try it. Let me know what you think, and as always, if you have any questions, do not hesitate to leave it in the comment section. Also, don't forget to look at the written pattern. Until next time, take care. Bye bye.